Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you and I will cover best brokers, best investment brokers for European countries. Now, as you know, you cannot use Robinhood in European countries, so these are my top 3 brokers on this list. Now, first broker on this list is called Trading 212, as you can see right here. Now, this broker is one of the trusted brokers here in Europe. A lot of people have been using this broker in United Kingdom and the rest of the Europe as well. I have been using this for almost 2 years right here. And as you can see, since 2016, the app has been the UK's #1 trading app. And in 2017, it reached the #1 spot in Germany, right? So this app has a lot to offer, honestly. I've been using it again for, 2+ years. They have over 2 million plus clients, 3.5 billion in client assets. Now, if you go to Trading 212, we can also see that Trading 212 is actually CSEC regulated. Your funds are also safe and your data is protected. So they're really transparent how they are securing your funds. So this is #1 broker on this list. The second broker on this list is called eToro. Now, eToro is great if you want to copy other people's investments. You can actually do that on eToro. It's here since 2007. And again, you can get investment ideas from a lot of other users. As well as invest on your own, right? So as you can see, you can diversify your portfolio, have crypto, stocks, ETFs. You can buy crypto as well, which is a great addition to eToro. eToro is kind of like Trading 212. I honestly like the user interface of Trading 212 much better than eToro. And yeah, overall, I think eToro is another great, investing broker for Europe. And for European Union and European countries. So definitely check out this broker as well. Now, #3 on this spot is a more serious broker. If you want to invest more money, if you want to be a serious investor, then definitely check out or consider investing with Interactive Brokers. Now, Interactive Brokers are basically professional gateway to the world's markets. Again, you can get the stocks for low costs, right? And they have a lot of strength and security and education as well, which you can watch their videos to see how their app works. Now, the Interactive Brokers app and brokerage is a little bit more complicated for people that are not tech savvy. So if you're not tech savvy, what I would recommend is to use Trading 212. If you're a more tech savvy person, then definitely try using, and if you're a more serious investor, then definitely try using Interactive Brokers, because this is a great and professional brokerage that will allow you to invest in the global markets. Now, as you can see, you have low costs. You have a lot of different things right here. And as you can see, they have also their own NASDAQ listing, as you can see, which is pretty awesome. If we go to pricing, we can see some pricing on commissions. These are basically the pricings on stocks, right? Options, futures, spot currencies. Overall, this user interface from Interactive Brokers is a lot more, I would say, professional and a bit more complicated than with your average apps like eToro and Trading 212. So these are basically top 3 best European brokers and best investment apps for this year in order for you to invest in Europe. So if you have any questions, or maybe if you want to add more brokers to this list, comment down below with your brokers, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.